If you're wondering how to run a custom job posting campaign on Top Echelon, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to effectively post a job campaign on Top Echelon, step by step, with actionable insights that will save you time and help you get the results you're looking for. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to make your job postings stand out on this powerful recruiting platform. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try out Top Echelon completely free through the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to their platform, but we've also secured exclusive bonuses for you. Stick around to learn more about that at the end. Now, let's get into it. Top Echelon is a recruitment software tool that allows you to post jobs, manage applicants, and tap into an extensive network of recruiters. When running a custom job posting campaign, it's essential to first set clear goals. Are you looking to attract a broader pool of candidates, or are you targeting a very specific type of hire? Once you know your goal, the software can help you fine-tune your search parameters to maximize your campaign's effectiveness. To begin, log into your Top Echelon account and go to the job posting section. Here, you'll find several options for posting a job, including pre-written templates that you can use or a fully customizable posting option. If you want to run a custom campaign, go ahead and choose the custom job posting option. This is where you can tailor everything from the job title and description to the keywords and target audience. Make sure you write a compelling job description that accurately reflects the role and appeals to the ideal candidates. Include important information like qualifications, key responsibilities, and the specific skills you're looking for. A good job description can make or break your campaign, so take the time to craft something that clearly speaks to your audience. Next, select the relevant job categories, industries, and keywords that best describe the role you're posting. These elements are crucial for targeting the right candidates. By adding specific keywords, you increase the chances of your job post appearing in searches from candidates who are actively looking for similar roles. Top Echelon search filters allow you to be as broad or specific as you like with your keywords, so make sure you choose wisely. Once your job post is ready, you can adjust the visibility settings to control who can see your post. You can choose to make it available to all recruiters, or if you're running a more targeted campaign, limit visibility to specific types of recruiters or firms. You can also decide whether to make the posting public or keep it exclusive within the Top Echelon network. After you've completed these steps, it's time to launch your campaign. Monitor the performance of your post through Top Echelon's analytics dashboard. The software provides detailed insights into how your job post is performing, including views, applications, and engagement rates. You can use this data to tweak your campaign, adjusting keywords or descriptions to increase visibility or attract more relevant candidates. Now, as you go through the process, it's important to remember that a successful job posting campaign on Top Echelon is all about staying on top of your metrics and continuously refining your approach. If you're not getting the results you want, make adjustments to your targeting, job description, or visibility settings. It's all about optimizing your strategy for the best return on investment. And remember, if you're just starting with Top Echelon and want to take advantage of its features, you can access it completely free through the link in the description. This free trial also comes with our exclusive bonuses, so don't miss out on that. To summarize, running a custom job posting campaign on Top Echelon is straightforward, but it requires attention to detail and a strategic approach. By using the customization options available to you, you can attract the right candidates and optimize your job posts for success. And if you haven't yet, be sure to take advantage of the free trial linked below and start using Top Echelon today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our exclusive extended free trial for Top Echelon through the link below.